Good morning to all, and today we are going to discuss about a topic of population density. What is population density? Population density is a measurement of population per unit area or exceptionally unit volume. So it is a quantity type of number density. It is frequently applied to living organisms, so most of the time to human beings. So it is a key for a geographical term. So every decade, the census of India has also applying this concept for making a population counting. And it is a simple term of population density refers to the number of area living in an area of a square kilometer. So definition of population density. So the population density it's a place defined in the number of people living in a square kilometer area and average. So population density is a measurement of populations per unit area or exceptionally unit volume. So it is a quantity of type of number density. So it is frequently applied to living organisms most of the time in a human being. So these are the things are called as the meaning of populations, and these things we have already discussed in the introduction part of population density. This is the calculation of population density. Population density is the number of people living in a particular area divided by extent of area in kilometers. And let me discuss about the effect of population density. The pollution. So pollution is the major problem by the population density. So although we have a cleaned up visible smokes, air quality is often still poor in a heavily built up. So rising of populations makes it harder, reduce to populations and improve in air quality. And next problem is the agricultural protections. So limit to improvement in agricultural productivity due to the causes of due to by population density, and it is a massively underestimated the potential of agricultural productivity due to the improve. However, it is increased use of fertilizers and pesticides as diminishing returns. So past improvement in agricultural aids is no guarantee will keep rising. So more turbulent weather, for example, weather water shortage and could place strain in a global food production to meet the demand from rising of global populations, and countries with a high population densities are more likely to have to import food. And next one is the global rise to the population is so marked that having uncertain impacts of global environment. So this is a rise of number of people recent decades is in unprecedented technology. So the technology is enable to mitigate the impact use of raw material and pollution. So, for example, burning of fossil fuels and leading to higher level of carbon dioxide, which could have a potential direct consequences of world populations and global weather. And next, one of the biggest problem of higher population density is the potential of loss of green belt in impacting on quality of life. So many people value of green spaces as an important factor that quality of life. If we lose all the countrysides to rot and housing and reduces the quality of human life. And finally, the limit new roads. Rising of populations leads to more demand for transport, and but with increased building, there is a limited space for new road. So nowadays, the motorcycle companies and many car companies they are service the customer to many low cost EMI. So many people are purchasing many vehicles, and the limitation of road also causes by the population density. So all the peoples are using a single road, and it makes a population, it's make a density. So this is also a problem for a population density. Okay. Thank you so much. I hope you might understand something related to the population density. Okay, we will discuss a new topic on populations, impact of population density and development in the next class. Thank you so much.